Just catch me if I
This is the diffuser. It goes inside of the Ninja Foodi. This right here. Woo, it's heavy. You always need to have this in here. Never try to cook without it. So there's different ones. I'm using the diffuser today. Go ahead and pop that in the inside of there. And you're gonna take your okra and you're gonna just douse it in there. So I have it in here. Gonna make sure you spread it out even and good enough, so you don't want everybody on top of each other, so you can cook evenly. Let me see if the light's better. Good. Then you're going to close it with this top because we are air frying. Okay, when we are pressure cooking, we use this top. When we are air frying, we use the top that is connected to it. Okay, so then you're going to press the on button. It lights up. Then you're going to choose air crisp. Air crisp is the same thing as air frying. I never really changed this, so you don't need to change it. You're going to press that button and we're going to put it in for 10 minutes. I've never used okra in here before, but I've used vegetables in here before. And it needs time to like warm up, so that's why I put it at 10. You could put it at like 7 or 9, but I'm gonna put it at 10 because I want it crispy. And what's cool about this is you can lift it up and look inside, so that if you did put a higher time than you wanted, you can check and see what it looks like on the inside and then stop it anytime. It's something the pressure cooker it'll explode on you and it won't let you unless you release it. So once you do that, you're gonna press start, and then it goes for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like. It's cooking, it stops, pauses, close, starts again. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on for 10 minutes, and with this one, it does not keep going, it stops. Once you're done cooking it, it cools down and then it stops. It doesn't just keep going like when you use the pressure cooker, okay? I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so now it says cool, which means that it is done counting down and now it's in its cooling phase, and then it's gonna say done when you are done. That is when you lift up. Ooh, that's when you, ooh, I'm the shadow man, sorry. So what I'm gonna do is mix that bad boy up, and this is now preference. If you like yours harder, you can cook it for longer. If you like yours softer, you can cook it for less. This is what mine looked like after 10 minutes. Let me go ahead and taste one. Okay, it's still could go. It could still go, y'all. It could still go. Okay, okra, I'm just learning. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, if you like yours that texture, you can take them out and eat them. I'm going to do the same thing again and leave it in for 5 more minutes. So that means it would be cooked for 15 minutes instead of 10. So I'm gonna go down to 5, and then press start. Now, like I said, if you want to be done, you can be done. I'm cooking some veggies on the side using some bacon grease and some olive oil as well, because bacon grease gives you a good flavor where you don't have to use a lot of salt. Okay, I'll show you the finished product, guys, in a little bit. See you in about 5 minutes. Okay, guys, so we're back now. It's cooked to my liking. I'm gonna go take it out and then show you what I do next.
just catch me if I fall. Just catch me if I fall. Just catch me if I fall. Just catch me if I fall.
and I use my Ninja Foodi. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe below. I talk about locks, I talk about teaching, I talk about my lifestyle. So today is a lifestyle video using my Ninja Foodi. And if you use this recipe, go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you think about it, what tweaks you made. And yeah, I enjoy making these videos. It's so fun. Okay, so it's been real. Love you guys. See you next time.